What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a crew cab Silverado all the way from LA in at Rob's Customs for a panoramic Cadillac CTS sunroof install on this crew cab. Crazy, he drove all the way from LA to Albuquerque to Rob's Customs get this install, so we're gonna take care of him. Let's check out the truck. Lifted Silverado. We're gonna be, like I said, we're gonna be installing a Cadillac CTS panoramic. We're gonna start the usual, start taking everything down, start getting our measurements for our cutout on the roof, and then we'll start getting everything welded on, getting everything blended up. I do have this truck for today and tomorrow. I'm gonna try my best to knock it out as close as I can today, so tomorrow I can have just touch-ups, cleaning the truck up a little, and getting it back to the customer so you can get back on the road. All right, it's gonna be a good one. All the way from LA. All right, guys, got the headliner out. Check it out. We're gonna go ahead and clean up those wires, tape them up to the top so they're not hanging. Everything's nice and clean. I ran his, I guess he's got a rear camera, so I ran this to the side here. Nice and clean. Put the access over here, and he's got his connector here. We're gonna clean up all this wiring that we see up here on the front. He's got a front camera, so we're gonna clean all this wire up here. We'll zip tie everything up on top, make it look nice and cleaned up, and then we're gonna start getting our center line and start cutting off our rooftop. We do have our panoramic over here. We're gonna go ahead and test it. Obviously it works, customer says it works. Here's my skin. We're gonna trim this down. And here's the panoramic. I'll go ahead and test that just to make sure. All right, guys, we got the roof part cut off. Here's my glass. Check it out. Here's my bracket. I'm gonna go ahead and install it, tack weld it in place, center everything up so I can start finishing up the top part, body work, primer, and then we'll get going with the inside. All right, guys, headliner's done. Went ahead and wrapped it. Came out real good. Like I said, we're gonna end up cutting this section out once we fold it onto the edge of the panoramic, and then we'll get a nice clean cut. Then he wants us to install one of these brackets. That's for it. It's a little tan, so we'll spray it gray and install it. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the headliner in. Time to cut it out. Everything's been installed, visors, clips. Now we cut the center out. Panoramic's been installed, came out badass. Another one in the books for panoramics. 2014 Crew Cab Silverado, all the way from LA, California. Let's check it out.